Trading Network is back online. We got a chart request show from the Discord. With me, as always, we have Mager. How you doing over there, brother?
Hey, man. Hey, guys. Sorry it's been a little bit. We had a little bit of a hiccup, so everything's back on track now. Back at looking at some charts and see what we got going on here. I know things have been pretty ugly. We got bombs being dropped and all this foolishness, you know, with Jane Street, and you know, everyone needs a finger or someone to point a finger at, right? So
yeah, there is a lot of that going on, right? The bombs and the FUD and the Jane Street. I mean, it's just awful.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it's been rough, you know, but looks like we're getting a decent little bounce here. I called it in Discord there earlier today. I said we're due for a bounce. It still doesn't look very good overall, though. We definitely need to break some levels on this chart. I definitely want to see some levels broken here. We're definitely still bearish overall in a bear structure, so but we'll take a look at that.
Yeah, we got let's see, let's switch over to Discord here. Let's take a peek at what we got here. So if you want to get any requests in, you can join the Discord over here. We have a modest $5 chat subscription. You can get the chat and the Albert Einstein alerts. I know we had a little problem earlier this week, so we got the server back up and running and online, and you can get those alerts with the tier 2 sub. Then you can jump up and get the indicator. You'll see what we're going to be going over today. We're going to be using the indicator. You will get the ability to install that right on your TradingView account, so it's we're pretty happy about it. But aside from that, once you become a member, you can swing on over here to the chart requests, and you could add whatever kind of charts you want to see the Mogman go over. So let's get right into it. It's been, I think, it's been 3 weeks, right? So it would have been 3 weeks, so or close to it. And of course, the very first request is none other than Bitcoin from the Dirty Spur.
Nice. Okay, so yeah, like I was saying, if we take a look over at this chart here, we're getting double rejected here. We're going to close under both these lines. I don't really want to see that happen, right? But it looks like it's going to happen. There we go. So yeah, Bitcoin overall, it doesn't look very good. I've been saying that for quite some time now, that we'd be heading down. There'd be some relief rallies here and there. My outlook is still the same. Nothing really has changed until I see this blue line broken, and I can make a new fib circle, because this year is I mean, we could come up through and break up through this line. I mean, I'm not going to ignore that. You know, it is Bitcoin. And some things are looking pretty good right now. The RSI isn't too high. Same with the stochastic, and we're about to get a crossover, right? We broke up over the basis line, right? We closed up over it. You know, I don't really like that, though. We didn't really quite retest it, and you know, just like I've explained in the past, if it doesn't usually retest it right away, it usually comes back down to retest it sooner than you would like, right? It's trying to form bull channel, though. We'll see if this EMA can cross up over the basis line and create the channel for us, right? But again, Sunday uh, in Asia, or anything could really happen. Uh,
Yeah, looks like Dubai is getting ready to join in with the tax on Iran too. So it could get pretty nasty over there.
yeah, and like I said, was it yesterday? I said, or maybe it was this morning. I said, don't trust any price action this weekend until things with Iran is resolved, or some, you know, um, I don't trust this pump at all. Uh, if that's what you want to call it. I was actually looking to short near, but I didn't. Maybe I should have, but I don't know where it's at now. But it was up 7% when I was looking at it. Uh, yeah, see, I started to chart it, and then I got high distracted me, got me
What are you
talking.
talking about?
Yeah. So, like I've mentioned, guys, I think there's still more down uh, before up. Again, we will probably see a relief bounce. I mean, of course, everything's so oversold and it's been going down forever. I mean, yeah, of course you're going to see some green. I mean, let's be real, right? But like, look at this, man.
Yeah.
You guys know what that is, right? Uh, capitulation, try to break bear. It didn't even have enough juice to get to the basis, and now it's losing everything, right? We can see this as being bullish, though, right? I can't ignore this either, right? This could be a double bottom forming, and you can consider that a bounce off the basis. Didn't quite hit it, but you can see that as being bullish. Buyer stepped in before it came down to test. Same with the 200, right? So um, I'd still keep my orders down low. I mean, there's no rush here. It's not gonna moon overnight, trust me.
Mm.
I mean, and like Pi just said, Dubai could drop bombs next, and those wicks can pick up those limit orders, right? So again, keep your orders down low. If you're looking to buy here, uh, I would definitely not be buying at market anyway or anywhere close to these prices right now. And hey, I mean, I know they're great. Like little H bar is 10 cents, and what was Link like $8? Yeah, 8.80. I mean,
Yeah, it was
but
under 8, I think. What, a couple weeks ago?
yeah, I mean, it
Yeah.
went all the way down to 720, right? Um, but let's be real, it camp on its way down here. I mean, once it was down here, it was down there for almost 2 years or a year and a half or however long that is, right? So don't ignore these possibilities, right? This can happen again, right? And this is starting to look an awful lot like that, right? Uh, and I mean, realistically, it looks more like we're here than down here, to me. Uh, when you look at where everything is positioned, right? The MAs, the basis lines, and the EMAs, right? Uh,
Yeah.
so I mean, I get that this is down here, right? But that can bobble down there and stay down there for a minute, right? This keeps zooming out, right? Um, yeah, I mean, and it's so hard to say like, hey, yeah, we're gonna go up for sure, or. I'm just basing all of this off of what I see at a Bitcoin, and I mean, yeah,
I
look
mean, the
at this,
Stoke is on
right?
the floor. MACD is
Yeah,
getting there.
yeah, but like, look,
Yeah.
don't be confused by that, right?
Yeah.
I mean, look where this thing did, and it still went down forever, right? Uh, will that happen again? Probably not. I don't think this is something like this is gonna happen. Um, I I do want to see either this touched or under it, and I think that's gonna happen. I think we're gonna see this here, right? Um, I I I just can't ignore it. It's slapping you in the face, kind of. I mean, everything is just, look where the basis is to the 100 here, right? And look, right, and look what the structure, right? Look, 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, bounce up, rejection, back down. Uh, and like, look, I get it, right? So this could cross up, come down, and then look, it still was going up here the whole time, but it went down, right? So that's what I labeled before about bullish divergence, and seeing that is, it's not doing what it's supposed to be doing. So you know that it's going to go up at that point at some point. So this is when you want to start buying in around here. This is, where smart money's loading up. This was the manipulation, or I think it was COVID or something, right? Is this COVID? Must be somewhere. But and then like, well, the rest, right? Look where we're at now. So
Yeah.
there's some there's some hope though. I mean, but for long continuous pump, I don't think so. I
Yeah.
don't think we're there yet, guys. Um, relief rallies, or day cat bounces, whatever you want to call them. Uh, there's always going to be traps, right? Or, well, not traps per se, but you know, green candles that turn into traps for traders that get FOMO, or like the market buy, right? Uh, days like this that things are up 5, 6, 7%. You're like, oh, okay, yeah,
Yeah.
bottom's got to be in, right? And pull the trigger, right, and then it goes down. Uh, that happens all the time.
Yeah.
So that's why you,
It
you
seems like
don't
it happens
market
more
buy, right?
often than not lately.
Yeah. So again, just stay patient, guys. There's too much risk right now to be trying to load the boats, and I mean,
Yeah. They're not going to wake
there's
up and it's going to be up 50,000.
yeah. You're much better off waiting it out, and if it goes up 10, 20%, it's not the end of the world. We're so, like, look at what's it called? MYX. Man, that thing's down like what,
Wow.
400, 500%.
Yeah.
It's just,
Yeah. I mean, it was at like 640. The next time I looked at it, it was under 60 cents or some shit.
yeah, like
Look at
that.
that. So
Yeah,
somebody's still
that
got a short open.
that's nuts, man.
Wow.
1,500%, and that's just in like 2 weeks. Like, no joke. So that's what I mean, guys. Just don't think it's not possible. Anything's possible in this space. Trust me. Like, look at ARB, for example. I mean, I did not see ARB at 9 cents. I will tell you that right now. I mean, not that long ago, it was like you know, 240,
Yeah.
right? Like that 2000%, right? So be patient. Trust me, it'll pay off. But yeah,
Mhm.
Bitcoin still doesn't look the healthiest, guys. So,
All right,
uh,
next one he's looking for is Ethereum. So get the top two out of the way real quick here.
yeah, I mean, Ethereum's same boat as Bitcoin. I mean, we know obviously this here did not play. Um, it's looking like this guy. Hopefully, it turns out like this guy, right? But Albert's down large on this trade, right? But he's batting 100, so but he ain't gonna sell until the red dot, right? So,
Yeah.
and I'll tell you, we would have to head down, down, down to
Oh,
get a red dot under his buy, right? So,
yeah. That would be
I
a complete disaster if they would have print a red dot under that gold. I don't see that happening. I mean, you're talking years sitting at below that level. I don't
yeah.
see it happen.
See, I kind of think we're here. That's kind of where I think we're at, and I said a crazy price. What was it, seven something, 770 or something like that. And I mean, don't think it's not possible.
Yeah.
I mean, look at the MAs. I mean, they're still fully extended. Like, yeah, like it. Don't kid yourself here. Especially, the even the founder is selling Bitcoin, regardless of or Ethereum, regardless of why or what, he still sold it. So that's a
Yeah.
red flag. I mean, he's never sold before or something, right? I think I read. I think this is his first time, other than when he was first like trying to get it up and running and like get some money to do things with it, right? But don't quote me on that. I'm not a I'm not 100%, but yeah, I mean that that's my view. I don't see us going up right now. Uh, It can happen though. Like, look, I
Hmm.
mean, and again, I'm not ignoring it. It can happen, right? But what happened here, right? We just went sideways and then back down again, right? Uh, So that's why again I kind of think we're in around here. And
Yeah.
again, we went sideways and then down, right? So I yeah, man, I don't know. I want to see a big old God candle or something like this that gets us up to this basis where we close over and can retest it right away. Other than when it closed over and it came back and retested it before we liked, right? Kind of the same thing that I mentioned earlier about whatever asset that it was. And again, like look, we ripped up over it and came down, retested and dropped, right? So you definitely
Hmm.
want to see something like this. This is healthy, right? Like look, both times close up over, test, close up over, right? And then we didn't even go back down over, tested it, went back up.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, Albert is batting 100, as you said. He's still up $935,000 off a $10,000 buy-in. So it's, I mean, poor Albert. I mean, he's really eating the ramen noodles
oh,
here.
oh yeah, yeah. He downgraded his Rolls Royce for a Lambo.
Yeah, he's getting
Uh,
the food club tuna fish cans. I mean, he's really pinching pennies.
but yeah, right here, guys. Though we broke up at a capitulation here. We're still in a bear channel though.
Yeah.
Didn't even have didn't even have enough juice to come up and test the EMA, and we only have a day left. So I would
Mm-hmm.
assume that it's going to be another close inside the bear channel, right? And I mean, like these can last a minute, man. Like they're no joke. This one was short lived, right? But the pump was even more short lived. Can't can't form the triple top that we went back down in April to the local low, not the lowest low, right? Down here, other than back here, but I don't think you'll ever see prices down here. To be honest with you, and like this down here is like swinging for the fences. This is just pure hopium on my end. It's like I'd love it if it came down here. I ain't even gonna lie.
You got your
I
order in
would,
at 767.
yeah, it's somewhere around there, 780 or something like that. Um, I'll move it if I have to. I mean,
Yeah.
I know I just said I'm gonna buy Bitcoin, but I'll buy Ethereum. I can't not
At
buy
that
it.
price, oh
Yeah, exactly. And same with like Link. There's my hopium levels, right? I'll change if I have to, right? But as it sits, I'm in no rush. I don't care. I
yeah,
don't feel the need to buy right now. Uh,
yeah. Not with all the shit that's happening now.
oh,
I mean, they're still going at it about the Clarity Act. You know, the
yeah,
banking. They're still trying to put the nix on the APY, and
yeah, that's gonna be a shit sandwich
you
anyway.
know they don't want to lose their pigs. You know, just making money for them. You know, constantly. They don't want to give us anything. So, which is pretty shitty. If I was Armstrong, I would say, screw you guys. We're just going to do our own thing then
Yeah. Well,
and really
he's
stick
a
it to
pussy
them.
though,
So,
right?
so
He
next thing
needs
he's,
them
oh
too, though,
yeah,
right?
Armstrong.
Yeah, he
Yeah.
needs them though.
Yeah.
So,
Well, we'll see what they're going to come out with. They haven't really spilled the beans on their last update. I think they were trying to figure out, you don't get any money on USDC.
yeah,
They'll give you something
yeah.
else. Like,
No, so what it was is that if you had USDC or DT, that the only way that you would get APY is if you uh were like lending it, more or less. Like you couldn't just have it sit and accumulate. You'd actually have to lend it out. The Yeah. So you couldn't just have your money sitting in Coinbase collecting. You would have to lend it to Coinbase or whoever to
yeah.
get it, right. And at that point, are they gonna wanna borrow it from you and pay you money when they have it anyway? Probably not, right? So,
Yeah. All right. Well, the next thing he's looking for is XRP.
yuck. We're
Bro,
doing XRP, man. Third one.
that's him. Hey, you gotta talk to Dirty Spur. I didn't pay
Ah,
him to say that.
yeah, right. It looks like shit, man. I said like $1 or something, right? I mean,
Was
I
in the
hope it
weekly,
gets
the
there.
200's at $1.11.
Well, it just lost 200 and it's rejecting it now, and it's
Yeah.
in a bear channel and it's fully extended. I mean, it hasn't crossed down since, geez, uh, a long time, like almost 3 years, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, I mean, it's due. Big old double top there. Bam, right? Like, look, would you buy that? Yeah. So, right? I mean, people are blind to the selling part, but when you flip it upside down, it's a little easier to read, right? Because you'd want to buy this, right? Ooh, look. Ooh,
Hmm.
MAs are exactly how you want them. You know, just picture this as your basis line, the top band instead, right? Bull channel, right? Instead of a bear channel. Ooh, and look, nice, nice retest of the basis. Oh yeah, wick under as manipulation. Ooh, and you'd look at it as okay, buyer stepped in because it didn't even touch the 50, right? But so yeah. Don't
Except
look
we
too good
have
like
this.
that, eh? Yeah,
So you
right. So
get
that,
nothing.
Yeah.
You
yeah.
lose. Good day, sir.
Yeah.
So that's a trick that I like to do always to myself is to put it in a different perspective, and that's the best perspective I can always put it in is flip everything upside down. Uh, don't look so good. I mean, c- can it rally? I mean, yeah, it's XRP though. Sure it can, right? But does it look like it's going to? No. I mean, clearly not, right? So this is where either you want to try to buy a falling knife or you want to wait a little bit and who cares if you lose a couple percentage and wait for a true confirmation, something that, where you're not gonna buy it and be like, oh, why'd I buy this? Oh, right? Like, why didn't I just wait a little bit? I mean, right? Because I mean, it's been a few months since I've said bye, right?
Yeah.
So I mean, so if you listened, I mean, did you miss anything? No, other than a bunch of red, right? I mean, and I'm still believe there's still more to come. Sorry to say, but yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
Well, that's the
I
name of the
don't think
game,
it's
and
over.
that's why people look up to see what you think, right?
Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't be buying XRP here. I mean, I'd love to tell you to, but I wouldn't, and I wouldn't expect you guys to either. Uh, I think honestly, I was looking at this earlier. Like this looks decent, right? But it's still like look, it came up like this. It looks like this, and it looks like it could be a long sideways for a lot of things, right? And that's what it's screaming to me. So I can't tell you guys much. Look, the higher time frame is awful. I mean, what's this? Like the EMA is crossing. I mean, we're just forming a bear channel. Just
Yeah.
right. Like I don't care that we've been going down for 5 months. That don't mean shit. It can go down for five more. Uh, will there will be a green month? Yeah, sure. I mean, look, 1, 2, 3, little green. 1, 2, 3, little green. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, little green. One, like, see, Eh, like I don't know what else to say here. I mean, this is terrible. Uh, you can clearly see where the 100 is. Right? So the 200's down here, right? We're fully extended. Uh, we've broke our channels that we follow. Uh, I mean, yeah. Uh, like, look,
Yeah. And
and
we rejected off the basis there last
yeah,
month.
yeah, and same with Ethereum, right? And I mean, almost all of them that you look at are like this, right? So it's like, look, this didn't even have enough juice. It's going into capitulation, right? And it hasn't done this in a long time, so no one can say where it's gonna go because it hasn't happened. So who knows if there's gonna be more fear, more panic selling, more this, OGs finally saying, "Oh, I had enough of this. I'm out." You know what I mean? Uh, eh, like, don't ignore these possibilities. Um, yeah, XRP
Yeah.
looks like shit.
Yeah, the fear and greed is at 11. It was at 4. So I think that's the lowest it's ever been. So it has come up a
Yeah,
little bit, but it's aiming to go back down. So people are getting more fearful.
for sure, for
All
sure they are.
right. Let's see what do we got here now. I lost the channel. All right, so that was Dirty Spur. Next, we looking for this is stocks. We'll get into some stocks. These will look a lot better, folks. ONDS.
Hey, you're gonna do this when I have to use the bathroom. Oh, nice. All
Hey,
right,
baby, get baby on here to cover ONDS for you.
yeah. Um, wow, this thing is, what is this? Ondas?
Yeah.
Uh, doesn't look very good on the daily. Um, it's losing the basis here. It's extended, fully extended. Try to get up into a bull channel, but it failed. The rejection. I don't know what it wants to do here. This don't look too good. What is this? What's this do? Pi?
Let's see. This is a
Gee.
so Ondas Holdings. They it's a leading provider of autonomous systems and private wireless technology solutions for industrial and government operations. So it looks
Hmm.
like they develop AI powered drone platforms, which
Well,
include, yeah.
the higher time frame, like the weekly, actually doesn't even look that bad. Honestly, it really does. Like, you could see that as bullish, but it's a bare structure. I mean, it is for. It looks like a symmetrical triangle there. I'd have to chart it out a little better, but it's holding the bases. It's trying to get back up into a bull channel. Rejected the 9 there, right? Um, it just crossed over fully extended, so it can go up more. Um, but the lower time frames here, these don't look the healthiest, right? You definitely want to see a close up over this and the retest right away. And I mean, it's right there, right? So Monday would be important to watch this on how it reacts. Um, you have positive price movement, but not quite. The volume's not there, right? Like, look at the histogram, and even though there was some movement here, it doesn't really support on the MACD, so you could see that as being bearish, right? Um, yeah, this thing got me a little confused. I ain't even gonna lie, because the lower time frames don't look too good, but it looks like it can. It looks like it can do something. Because I really like that weekly.
Yeah, so
Even with that down channel, I think it can push up. If it breaks up over this, like I said, here it closes up over and it can form a bull channel again. So I would definitely watch there and there. I'd want to see these two levels broke, and you definitely want to see a close over 1009. So it's right there, right? Um, and it's
mhm.
at 1008, right? So you'd want to see it close up over that, retest right away, and then see some volume confirmation with continuation on through these two resistances, right? 1073 and 1029. You definitely want to see broken, right? Watch for that 9 to come up over through that 50 MA, and right there you get some love, right? And
Yeah.
obviously this thing can move. right? That was a trap. The dot played out pretty good, right? You wouldn't have missed too much, 20%, right, off of a big move. So, I mean, geez, pitcher, if you were loading the boat on this thing down here,
Yeah. Yeah, this one comes from a recommendation from the one of the BlackRock investors saying this is a must
oh,
buy. I
uh-oh,
don't know.
red flag,
Well, he's
red flag.
retired, so I don't know.
Okay, well, I'll definitely watch those levels. That's really all I could say, and I would definitely want to see it hold up. Like I wouldn't even give this much room if I run this. I would definitely use a stop loss, and like I said, I wouldn't give this much room. I would definitely use $9 as a stop loss somewhere in around there. I wouldn't want to see any of these lows broken. Uh, and I mean, this is a double bottom forming here too, right? It'll close up over on Monday, so.
Hmm.
I'd pay attention to it. I'd add it to the watch list and pay attention to that price movement.
All right, next one we're looking for TSM. This would be Taiwan Semiconductor.
Okay. Oh well, that that ain't a good sign. Look, the metrics are up there, but I mean, look, it can still move. I mean, geez, funky dory, man. This thing moves weird, eh?
Yeah.
Oh man, we got to get into stocks more. Oh
No
man,
kidding, right?
like look at these buys. You'd be laughing. Uh Yeah, I don't like that though.
What
That
fun
ain't
is
pretty.
this? I mean, you'd be tired of winning. Aren't you already tired of winning?
Yeah, you just. I mean, honestly, yeah. Like, look, uh, that's gonna print too. That's an ugly doji form in there. I don't like this thing. This thing is up there. It can come down and go back up though. I mean,
I
look
mean,
at
it's
this
been
thing.
up there.
I, yeah. I mean, I don't really know what to say on
Shit,
that.
you
I
would have said
definitely
that
wouldn't be
four red
buying
dots
it.
ago.
Yeah, I mean, I definitely wouldn't be buying this thing. I mean, I wouldn't even be looking anywhere near to buy this thing. Got earnings coming up, right? April. So, but yeah, I mean, even like you could be getting this or this. Uh, yeah, this thing's scary. I'd be looking to put this, and this is a short worthy. Not buy worthy. I mean, I'd be looking to short short this thing. Definitely don't buy this. I don't like this thing. It's got red dots coming everywhere. It's a 4 hour look like. Wow, it's holding the bang. I mean, I don't know how this thing is still moving. Oh, it didn't even give any red. Wow, this thing's just said no, no. And he's like, no, I'm not giving you any more red dots. You don't need this thing. Don't need red dots. You just buy. All right. So whatever this thing is doing, it's doing it good. But yeah, I think it's coming down. To be honest with you, I can't see this thing going up too much, if any. but
Well,
but
on
I
the
mean
5 day, Albert's a batting 100 for it. What are you
I
looking at?
bet
The
he
4 hour?
is. I mean, yeah, he probably didn't get stopped out until in around here either, right? Um, who knows what it. But yeah, I don't like that thing. I think that thing's coming down. It's
All
got
right.
to eventually.
Yeah, eventually. So it looks like the next one's going to be AVGO. What is this? That's Broadcom.
Bear channel on the 5-day. That's ugly. See what the daily's saying. Oof. It's trying to get up back up over the 200 though. Um, I don't, I don't like this thing very much at all. No, this got bearish divergence here too. Oh yeah, big time. Yeah, no, I don't like this thing. I think this is coming down. Um, who asked for this? Hi.
Sleepless in Whale Trading Network Broadcast Center. This would be me, right?
Did you ask for this?
Yes.
This
I'm
looks like
switching
shit.
over to stocks. That's it.
Yeah, it don't look too good. You definitely want to see. Well, I'd even want to see a lot more than that. I don't know about this thing, man. I think it's coming down for a bit. Uh, yeah, it doesn't look too good, Pi.
No,
Um, would you buy this?
no, not yet.
No, I don't buy it. Uh, I would definitely wait on this guy. Like, look,
Yeah.
just crossed over to. I mean, it. I mean, it could do something here, but I don't think it will. I would definitely want to see it come down. Uh, and I mean, it's got a long way down for support there, 160. That's definitely not going to be a support line.
Yeah. Well, I
Um,
wonder if they go into full fledged war, are they going to be kicking up the semiconductor industry?
yeah, I would definitely watch in around here. I think it's going to come in around there. The previous demand zone here before it rallied up, right?
Yeah.
Uh, I mean, you could get lucky. You could come down here into this zone, and then you could buy it, right? And that reflects it too. Um, it could go down to there, right?
Hmm.
I think that's gonna come down before it goes up, bro.
All
Don't
right. Next,
buy.
next we have the Goose AIQ.
I Goose even flip. What the hell is this?
What is that?
I can't do anything with this. Hello.
It's like one person just buying and selling up. What the hell is that?
Oh, that can't be it. Is it? Yeah, it's the only one there. I don't know what this is, bro.
I wonder if it's the ETF. That can't be it. Let's see. Global X Artificial Intelligence.
There we go. Oh wow. Look at that. That's a decent move. Hmm. This thing looks interesting. I'll say it definitely wants to break bear, and I mean that that's not very much negative price action, but oh, that's an ugly double top and an ugly doji. Uh, I don't know, Goose, but that's nice though. I close that gap. Perfect retest, and it's forming a bull channel. Even gave a buy. Oh yeah. Um, I kind of like this thing. I ain't even gonna lie. I don't, what artificial? Yeah, yeah. I like this. I like that. If this holds this up over here, watch these. So that's got a neckline here, Goose. Uh, 51 to 51.13. Um, so let's just you want to see it take down 51, right? Uh, form of bull channel. I actually like this, so I just want to look at the weekly here. That don't look the prettiest, but look, it's curling up. Stochastics down to 4. RSI still bullish. Uh, yeah, I mean this. I like this.
There's
I
the
think this.
ETF.
Yeah. Um. Yeah. I think you. I think I would take a stab at this. Not right off the get go. I would try to. But see, I like that. That's like a nice test, and I think that's gonna make a nice bull channel. I would watch it, and if you want to pull the trigger, I'd pull the trigger on a goose. Um,
Yeah, it looks like a
you don't.
mix of like Nvidia, Microsoft, Alphabet, Apple, Cisco, Meta. So there's a bunch of different things in here, and a bunch of different tech companies and chip companies.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna rally here. I ain't even gonna lie. It looks like it's gonna break there, and it's gonna form a bull channel on the 5 day, just like here. I think you're gonna see this kind of like here. Except it's not as steep as this sell-off as it was here, but just like this one here, right? And I mean, this thing obviously doesn't sell off too hard until it does, right? That's a that's a oof, right? But I bet you Albert made a lot of money off of this guy.
Let's take a
Oh,
peek.
oh yeah, he made bank off of this. He was buying this, held it the whole time. He sold up. He got stopped out probably up around here, man.
Let's see. Well, he's batting. He's batting 100% on the 5 day. 7 for 7. Yeah, he just sold it off not too long ago either.
Yeah, he got stopped out here. Yeah,
Yeah.
I can tell. He would have got stopped out right here.
Okay, let's see. The next one he's looking for is let's go up here. Bots, BOTZ. This is a Global X Robotics and AI ETF.
Okay, this thing doesn't look too bad either, to be honest with you. Wow. Yeah, we need to look at this, man. Yeah. Um.
Who wants
Wow.
to pay all that tax, Mogger?
Yeah, really though. This is a nice bounce, so it's still holding the bull channel, right? Um. And like, low. I mean, this is scary right here. It's forming a doji there, right? So this is important candle. I would definitely watch this candle a lot, right? Because it'll tell you exactly what it's going to be doing on the daily. And like, look, the 4 hour looks nice. I mean, yeah, it is overextended, right? But it's still holding our basis, and it's just under the bull channel, right? So if we can get some positive price action and it closes up over that, right? That'd be a good indication. This is a little scary, right? But I mean, it that could have been just what it was going to do is right here. I mean, that's still a decent little pullback, right? About 5% or something in total there, right? So, um, yeah, these ETFs look like they're going to pop off.
Yeah.
Uh, this though is kind of scary. That's bearish divergence on the MACD there on the daily. I would definitely watch that. Um, So you can see that the MACD's going down, but the price is going up. That's usually a telltale, like right here. See how it happened here, and then it dumped hard, right? So, like, see how this one's normal, right? This is good, right? But then this one's bad, right? So that's what I was trying to explain to KJC earlier today and chat about having a cheat sheet and getting familiar with this stuff so you know what to look for and what to watch for, right? Um, so you would have been able to know right there that that was bearish divergence, and you would have got a nice pullback right to the 200, perfect, right? And like this is where I tell you guys to be watching. Um, on pullbacks, right? The 200s for support or the lower bands in around there. And like that was like a double whammy, right? Like look at that. Perfect. If we were watching this, we would have been able to pinpoint this down there, right? So it's important to get these chart requests and so we can go over and look at stuff like this, right? Um, so again, this is kind of the same thing that happening here, right? Is happening again. So definitely definitely watch this thing. Um because if you don't see more price action where this goes higher and clears those zones that you'd want to see broken, it's gonna come down like it did here, right? And this time it will come down a little more, in my opinion, because these will cross the next time that it does drop down like that, right? So be careful with that one.
All right, this last one is BTBT. Bit Digital, their strategic
Um,
asset company.
what?
Oh, they're
How
focused on
come net?
Ethereum
How,
infrastructure. Yeah.
how come Netflix is up 14% almost? I just noticed that. Did they do something?
Well, all I know is they kicked off like 87 million boxes from using the Netflix app that are
Oh,
not certified. So I know we don't have some happy campers over in this household right now.
okay. Bit digital. Um, I don't, I, I don't really like this. Yeah, it's rejected the basis and it's going back down into a bear channel like it did here, right? Um, lost support. Yeah, man. I don't like this thing. Was it an ETF or something?
No, they're focused on Ethereum infrastructure and AI high performance computing through its majority ownership with White Fiber.
Okay. Well,
They
you can see.
actively purchase stakes of ETH and generate protocol native yields.
Well, you could see something like this happen here. I mean, I won't deny that, but this don't look too good right now. I mean, and it holds bare for a minute, like look here and here, uh, and it's been in bare for a minute, right? And like, look at this guy. Oof. Uh, yeah, I'm not a huge fan of this. I think this might turn into this. To be honest with you, um, let me take a look at this time frame. Yeah, I don't like this thing. This is going down, my opinion. I'd watch in around here, $1.50. I'd watch for a real double bottom in around there, right? And that's all time lows too, right? From looks of things. Oh no, chart's loading up a little more. Man, this thing got some serious history back here. Oh yeah, so this can go down low, man. I'd really watch this thing. That's a clear double top too, and an ugly one. Two serious dojies. Um, I don't think that's done playing out yet. This looks like an accumulation into distribution to me. I think this is gonna come down some more. I don't like it.
Well, that was a goose. Thanks, brother. Ano is looking for Aerodome.
Arrow. I like Arrow. There's not too many alts uh that I like. This is one of them. I like Arrow. I think Arrow will do good. Oh,
Yeah. The 5 days starting
oh,
to curl up a little bit.
close over. I'd watch the retest here, guys. That's important. You want to see that retest there. Look, nice bull channel here. Um, I think I called this out the other day for somebody. I can't remember now. But yeah, I mean, I like Arrow. I think Arrow will do great. Is it time to buy it now? I don't know. I'll be honest with you. This thing can move violently either in either direction. Uh, you know, pretty nice double bottom there. You definitely want to see it break up over bear and at least come up and get at the basis. I mean, there's no reason not to wait there, right? I mean, big deal if you lose out on that much. I mean, to gain a couple 100%, or to lose and wait for to find new lows, right? And I mean, you don't want to be eating it down here. I mean, that'd be depressing, right? So, but I like Arrow. I think Arrow's gonna do good again. When? Not sure, man. This The market does not look the best. There's no and ifs or buts about it. The Arrow wants to do something, but it been wanting to do something, right? And we're not getting enough positive price action on the daily to produce red dots. So that's why I was been telling everyone, if you buy on the daily, you must use the 4 hour. We still have the 5 day alert shut off. I don't want anybody buying off the 5 day. Um, we shut those off what about a month
Uh,
ago or
I
more.
think it was like 3 weeks ago. So right now we're trying to move into protection mode here. Working with just the 1 day and the 4 hour.
Yeah, exactly. So
It's not shut off for the stocks. So just make that clear, right? It's only the crypto.
yeah, crypto, yeah. And I mean, I posted uh SPY the other day in the stock room, and I said things didn't look too good. I don't know how things have played out since then. Probably not the best, but
Yeah, it's probably not going to look good until they figure out what the hell they're going to do with the Clarity Act. I mean, the deadline was supposed to be what, tomorrow? I think it was tomorrow's the first.
yeah,
Yeah,
they'll
so
push that
that
off.
does not look like it's going to happen.
It's not. It won't. There'll be more, right? But SPY does look like it can try to do a little bounce here. I'd watch the neckline resistance there that it has now. But yeah,
Yeah. No. Well, the next one he's looking for is CHZ. He called this one out. He was looking at one almost 2 months ago.
yeah, I remember we were talking about it. I think it was up here or something. I was like, yeah, man,
Yeah.
I can't do more, but I think it, you know, yeah, I think he did pretty good on it. Again, the that I mean, we got enough positive price action. It nailed the top. and the 5-day nailed it. You bought here, right? You bought at 2 cents. You sold at 6 cents. I mean, you 3x your money off of that in the run of a month or a little over a month, right? Um. So yeah, this is the price action that we need to form these red dots on the higher time frames.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I have. Well, I got Pi to shut them off because I don't think we're gonna have that enough positive price action to produce these red dots on those higher time frames. So, uh, like Louis, you did pretty good off of this guy. Um, even if you were buying here, you bought this one and this one and this one. You got the red dot, right? But let's take a look at her now and let's see. So close up over, no retest, but it's holding the 200 there. And the EMA's coming up over the basis line, trying to form bull channel on the 4 hour. It's trying to break bear. It's going to break that EMA, so I'd watch there. It's got some resistance up above, but if you can see some continuation on through here, um, I mean, this thing can move. I mean, even outside of the down, this still did 3x, right? So, uh, I'd watch those zones there.
Wow. Well, that was Anno. Next, we got Art. He's got half a Nasdaq on here, so let's look at his
Yeah,
top three. He's got GRO.
potash.
Dry potash.
Ooh, that's ugly, dozy, man. That's
Brazilian potash.
yeah, this thing is dangerous looking. Dangerous. Mm, is that? No. Close though. Close to some serious beer. Look, this thing doesn't want to give me any red dots on the 4 hour. You'd have to play the daily on this thing. Um, that's scary, man. That there, jeez. I'd be running for the hills off of that. I don't even care. Uh, that that, yeah, I don't like that. Or look where this thing is. I'm amazed it isn't giving any red dots. Uh, I don't like this thing here.
Yeah, I don't think that MACD is high enough to pull it.
What about here? That's weird. Definitely should have printed here. We'll have to take a look at this one. See why, like, look,
Yeah,
printed
on
on
those
the.
short history ones, it's gonna struggle
Yeah, but
because it's
how come it's printing on the daily, but not the 4 hour? It should definitely be printed on the 4 hour if it's printing on the daily. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, mine.
Yeah, we'll have to take a look at that one. But I don't like that GRO. No, that's scary, bro.
Let's see. Next, he's looking for Hood. Yeah, this is gonna be
Robin
Robin Hood.
Hood.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so it's holding the basis. That's good. Want to see those. I always tell you guys to watch for and be very weary of that one touch on the upper basis and a rejection. The- I mean, those play out a lot. Like, look, this guy right here. Look what happened. I've been going down forever since then, right? Um, the one touch is really scary. I don't like those one touches. As you can see, you don't see any one touches, but the one touch there, right? Just trying to find one touch. Maybe not. No, not quite one touch there, right? But yeah, no, I don't like the one touches. Um, they usually tend to go down, but it's holding. So if it, you'd want to see it break this. It more or less is forced into breaking that upper basis now. Um, and you'd want to see 84 broken. You'd want to see it get up over that 50 MA art. Um, it if not, it's gonna form another bear channel and head down some more, right? And like look, it's about to form what is like back into its bear channel here. It didn't even have enough juice to test that basis line, right? Uh, Scary man. This looks like it's gonna do a full reset on the daily on the MA stacks. So yeah, this looks more of a relief bounce than anything, in my opinion. Uh, I think it's going to come up and either reject off of this, or it already is that that is the rejection, and it's going to come down. Um, uh, Sorry, man, I don't like this hood either.
Yeah. Next thing he's looking for a bull, and there's 500 of them, so I'm assuming he's looking
Weeble,
for that
we
ETF.
Weeble. That's what it is. I know what he's looking for. Oh man, I wish I had some better news for you guys, man. Even like these stocks look rough, the ones that we're looking at. I mean, nothing looks too good right now. I mean, the world's in turmoil. Everyone's feuding with everybody. Like look, same situation as Hood. Uh, that's ugly, man. Yeah, I mean, ugly. These have been invalidated. And like look, that's just bottom. And like what is bottom at that point? It can keep going clearly, right? Um this is bullish divergence though there. So that's interesting to see. But you definitely want to see this basis line broke. I wouldn't even look at this thing until you either down into a support off of this, so in around 530, 540, or you definitely want to see this broke 620. Um, it looks rough, man.
All right, let's see. So we're doing three. So let's go to next. Pete is looking for SILJ. This would be the Amplified Junior Silver Miners ETF.
Ooh, that looks nice. Yeah, this is getting up into FOMO. I hope you're in this. Nice little retest up over into a straight bull channel now, breaking FOMO. Holding this bear, though it's still got room here too. Uh, and it can run up pretty high too. Uh, I like this thing. Take a look at it. Ooh, that, I mean, it's scary high, but I mean, huh, I hope you're in this thing, bro. You made some bank off of this. Uh, would I be buying this? God, no. I mean, that don't we definitely wouldn't want to be buying this. I mean, this is way too overextended, in my opinion. But it does. That being said, it definitely does look like it's gonna go up even more. I mean, I won't lie. That's a nice test of support and right back up into bull channel and then FOMO, man. Um, bull channel Bull channel. Yeah, man, this thing looks strong as an ox.
Yeah.
That's scary though. You definitely need it. Definitely needs FOMO now because this is gonna form bearish divergence here if it doesn't get this MACD to form a higher high. Um, my, I mean, ooh, nice triple bottom into a double top maybe though.
Yeah.
I'd watch that. Um, might be a good put. But look, this thing can run up, man. Don't sleep on it. I mean, would I buy it? No. But if you got it, I'd hold that. I'd watch for the red dot and definitely take some profit off of it, right? If you sold there, good on you, right? Um, Another one's gonna come soon. I could see it. This basis line hasn't been tested in forever. So a pullback is due. I would say on the next red dot, it's going to pull back into this basis wherever it ends up. See where it happens. See what happens after that.
All right. Next thing he's looking for is PSLV. This is the Sprott Physical Silver Trust.
Wow, this looks bullish too. Jeez. Ooh, it's going to break up into FOMO on the daily. I don't like that though. I don't like how it didn't even test. Come down and retest that, but tested the EMA just fine. And it's holding that bull channel there. It's still got lots of room too. Wow, you bought these, man. You made a lot of money off of this guy. Tell you that. Look at that. Jeez. That's that. So this is what we're always watching for. That's a bad doji, right? And then that's your bull trap, right? But it's going back up. Nice bull channel too just formed. These are going to curl back up. There's tons of room left on it too. I like this thing too, man. I think this looks like it's gonna rip. Be honest with you, I ain't even gonna lie. This thing looks like it is gonna rip. What is it? What's this do? Yeah,
This
it's
is
gonna go up.
this is a physical silver trust. It's a
I would,
closed-end trust that holds physical silver bullion.
I'd actually, I would actually buy this thing if I was looking at it. Buying this. I like this thing. I think it's gonna go up a lot. I might actually even look at buying this
Maybe I'll
myself.
have to switch mine over here right now. Let's see.
Yeah. Um. I like this thing.
Hmm.
This is scary, but the lower time frame and like look like yeah, man, it can move clearly. This I wouldn't worry about that too much. With this here like that. Um, I like it. ESLV, I like it.
Yeah. So that's two good ones from Pete so far. So let's look at XLE.
Wow,
Ooh,
he got some deadly ones here. I don't like this one as much, so I ain't gonna lie.
that's
This
way up in
one's
the FOMO.
yeah, this thing's too scary. But I'd have to make that measured move. If that's a measured move of a breakout, that looks realistic. 85. Oh, what's that line there for? I didn't draw that. I don't even know what this thing is. Why would it be all the way up there?
I don't know. Are you trying to tell us something? What's in
I
the
have.
history?
Oh.
Yeah, what is
What's
that?
this? What is that? This is weird. I've never even looked at this thing before. Um, yeah, but this thing's scary, too high scary. Um, it does look like it's gonna go up a little bit more though. I won't lie. But I feel like that's gonna be like a trap high. I wonder if you can put this. I'd be looking to put this thing. Um, yeah, it's too high, way too high. Even
Hmm.
though it looks like it's gonna go up a little more, I think that little more is the the last little rally you see, right? Um, looks like everything's red again, so that didn't take too long. I looked over, I seen all red. I was like, yeah,
Great. Hey,
uh,
well, at least they're only down a small percentage now, so I guess that's positive, right? Oh, look at
yeah,
XRP's up 0.1%. So that's
nice.
perfect.
Yeah.
Must be
Well,
alt
this,
season.
yeah, yeah. All one green can, all season. Load the
That's
boat,
it.
guys. Oh, sorry, no, it's next week, but it's okay. These prices are still good until next week, and then you realize that they're down 30% from what?
You
And
just
then you're like,
DCA. It's as simple as that.
yeah, yeah, or just wait for to see something other than green candle, right? Because
Right.
I mean, look, this is going up, but not the price. That's not the best scenario. You can see what happened here. I mean, it's gonna happen, right? And I mean, my outlook is still the same. I mean, look. I mean, you guys know what we watch for here. I mean, this is a clear indication that this is not good, right? I mean,
Yeah.
clear as day, clear as day, right here. Look, one, two, three, four, and each one's getting lower off that basis. So, I mean, come
This is
on,
great.
yeah, let's not be stupid here, guys. We know what we're looking at, right? We need to see this get broken and like some continuation to get that EMA up over that basis line to get a bull channel, because the it's the only way we're breaking up out of this, right? Is a bull channel, and then even then we really have to pay attention and watch for these dojis that are forming here, right? And like what I'm talking about, the one touches, right? Like you can consider that a one touch. It could have closed, you know. I mean, yeah, we need to see something here because I mean, even though everything's reset, I mean, on the higher time frames, everything still is overextended and it still looks like shit. So
Yeah. Shit. A couple more here. Looking for SoFi.
yeah, I'm gonna fall asleep on you soon, man. I'm so
Yeah,
tired. I've been
we got like three
working like a
more.
dog. Working like
Working
a
like a
dog.
dog. I'm coming off
Uh,
116 hours this week, young man. Running
yeah,
circles around you.
not likely. I don't know how many hours I got, but too many. Though this pure capitulation on the 5 day, this is rough looking, but there's light at the end of the tunnel by the looks of things. Maybe not though. It's fully extended. Uh, a nice bounce there off of your basis. that bottom band. Wow, everything's so oversold. But the negative price action and positive MACD. I wish I had some better news for you guys. What
Yeah.
the? I liked like three things tonight, I think. Man, and I think they were all from Pete.
Right.
Yeah, jeez. But I
Well,
mean,
to be fair, this one is also Pete's, so he can get shoot in
okay.
with some of the other bad ones.
Yeah. I mean, this thing is trying to call a bottom here, though. Let's not ignore that, right? And I mean, uh, I would watch for a buy signal on this one, Pete. Um, yeah, definitely wait on this guy.
Yeah.
It definitely looks like it's gonna go down some more, right? Um, I'd watch here. Why? This candle's pretty important. I shouldn't have said I was tired.
Yeah, you got me going over here, and I still have to make my sirloin steak.
Yeah. Um, you need to see something out of this. You need to get it up over the bases and get a bull channel formed, at least on the 4 hour. Um, to see some kind of continuation up. It is definitely possible, but like, see what I mean? You need, and I mean need, to see this bases broken. Because clearly it's been heavy resistance for a minute, right? Uh, that's your main resistance right now. You definitely want to see it close over and a retest and some continuation, right? Because like, if you would just wait for the close over retest, it doesn't always play out, right? You need to see that EMA come up over that basis line and form the bull channel. And and then it's easier to play, right? Then you know, and then that you have levels of support, and that you could use a stop loss, and if you get tapped, you get tapped. You know what I mean? Here,
Hmm.
though, you're buying uncertainty, right? There, at least you know there's a good chance of it going up because it's in the proper channel that you want it to be in, and you have an idea of where its support is. Yeah, when it's in these channels, you're not sure where the support is because it could be using any of the time frames. Like here, for example, right? Or you look at the 5 day. Oh, okay, well, I'm in capitulation, so that doesn't really help me. And like, look, so my support could be either at 1120, right? Or, well, I mean, by the time it hit there, it'd probably be up around here, 1180 or something, right? But so let's say $12. But between 16 and $12, right? And I mean, can it happen? Sure. I mean, look, like, don't always let these here where these are fool you, right? And especially like, look, it can hold that down channel for a minute. That's a just looks like an invalidated uh bull flag or a bullpen. Either or, I'd have to take a look at it. But
Hmm.
yeah,
Well, that was Pete. Last batter, KJC, looking at Link.
think. Okay. Oh yeah. So, well, I kind of looked at Link a little bit earlier, and I said my hopium levels. You
Hmm.
know what I mean? I mean, is that realistic? Maybe not, but I mean, it's definitely possible. If you don't want to try to hold out and wait, I mean, honestly, the top of this accumulation zone where it's at now, I mean, you honestly can't go wrong. If you're buying for long term accumulation and to hold it, I mean, this is could be clear accumulation zone right here, right? It could go along right all along here, right? Just like it did here. Maybe not as extended, right? But something like this, right? And then boom, right?
Mm.
Could do this a little bit and then come down into here, right? Kind of like what it did here, right? Right? So, um, anywhere in around here,
Ooh.
if you're buying Link, uh,
Ooh.
would anybody follow you? No, hell no. I mean, especially like I said, if you're holding it for long-term views and accumulation, then down here is great, man. Uh, if you want to try to hold out for the hopium levels, my hopium, not your guys's, I guess, right? Everyone's hoping for up, right? I want it down. I want everything as close to zero as possible at
Yeah.
this point, right? I mean, why not? We're already down this low. Keep
Yeah. Might as
going.
well get it down
Yeah,
there. I want to see two
yeah.
cent XRP.
Ah, I don't think you'd see that for very long. but 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 again, everything looks not good. I've been saying this for a while. I feel like I'm gonna be saying it for a little bit longer.
Yeah.
If things change, you guys will know. You guys will be the first one to know. Uh, in the Discord because I post Bitcoin charts daily, every day.
You
You
do?
guys get a Bitcoin chart.
Well, eventually it'll go up. You know, it sometimes the hard truth is what people need to hear, right? You know,
Yeah,
when you see a little pump, everyone's like, "Oh my God, this is it! I need to load the boat now." And then
yeah,
2 days
I
later,
know.
you're under. You know.
Yeah, no, but honestly, you can see this as kinda okay-ish, but that's oh, I mean,
Yeah, I mean,
yeah,
how often does it move like that, and then it goes down even more? Um,
a a lot.
yeah.
Like look, right, like clear double top and down. I can, I have a feeling you might see the same thing, but I don't know yet, right? I'm waiting for some confirmation, right? This is looks okay though right now. I mean, it's holding a bull channel. Uh, you know, can you consider this a close over and a retest? Yes, absolutely, right? Um, because I don't think the basis would have been up that high on that close rate. But yeah, I think we're gonna head down. Um,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, like low, bounce off the lower band just to get rejected by the middle. Um, and again, yeah, things don't look too good.
Nope.
I think this is gonna be kind of a fake out curl up like here and head back down. And then, and again, you guys will see these. You will see these. Don't get fooled though. I mean, like, look, this clear rejection after 200, and that's an ugly doji, right? Um,
Hmm.
so
Yeah.
yeah,
I mean, yeah,
pay
you back
attention.
then you'd be looking, oh, this is it. Here we go. And no.
No, womp womp.
Yep. Well, um, I guess another one here, H bar.
H bar, another one of my favorites.
This is one
Um,
of my favorites too. This is
yeah,
my second biggest bag.
yeah. Again, look, guys, this is ugly. Uh, I mean, I know you'd love to hear me say uh time to go up, but I don't think so.
No.
Uh, rejection off the bases again on the 4 hour. I mean, this looks like it's gonna curl down and drop. like this, right? So it's gonna look like this. You might get a little bit of that, and then some more of this, right? A little bit of
Mm-hmm.
this and a little bit of that.
Oh,
Um, but I mean, it's like it's crossed and rejected so many times here. I mean, it's kind of hard to say for sure what it's gonna do, but if I was a betting man, I'd say it's coming back down some more, right? I mean, it's right back into the bear channel on the 5 day. It's rejecting down under, and I mean, these candles close tonight, right? Or well, tomorrow. Well,
yeah,
new
tomorrow.
day now, right? Well, trading view time. Uh, you know, so in 20 23 hours, this is probably going to close in back in on a rejection, kind of like right here, right?
Hmm.
Or right here, right? Or right here. So,
Yeah.
I'll be paying attention to these candles for sure. Um, again, same thing with Link though. Would anyone follow you for buying H bar down here? No, no, no. Uh, I mean, will it go down here? Sure, it could. I mean, it's possible, but I don't think I don't think you're gonna see 5 cent H bar. To be honest with you, I honestly I think this is the bottom
Would
for
you?
H
Are
bar.
you calling the bottom?
No, on H bar, yeah, this is a bottom for H bar in my opinion. Yeah. Honestly, I can't see it going any lower than that. I think if anything, this is the accumulation zone for H bar right here. I think you'll see this. Maybe a wick down to 6,
Hmm?
maybe, but
Mm. So
I
you're saying
can't.
there's a chance?
Yeah, with H bar for sure. There's
Yeah.
yeah. I like H bar. I like Link too, right? Um, I think they're both gonna have the same thing. I think we are close to the bottom. I do,
Ooh.
right? Yeah, but I still think the prices to the bottom are going to be extended though. So
Hmm.
like, there's no rush to buy. I think we're going to see something like this, right? But there's going to be a long accumulation zone somewhere where I'm not 100% sure, and it might not happen. I mean, we could just have uh a quick dip and rip, right?
Hmm.
So
Well,
again,
you
that's
think
why
that
I'm paying attention.
that Clarity Act gets added? You think that might change the pattern, the versus extended, right?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, there's a few variables, right? What's going to happen with Iran? I mean,
Yeah. Well, the president is dead. Apparently,
yeah.
that's what they're
So
saying now.
who's the next president? Trump?
Oh, maybe they could be the 51st day. What do you think? I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, they're
Yeah,
trying to get
Trump's
out
good.
the Islam regime that was in there, so hopefully
Yeah.
they can have some sort of democratic election.
Yeah, I
I
doubt
saw
that
him dancing in the streets, but I'm sure the Dems will turn it around somehow.
for
But
sure.
I guess we won't get into that.
Yeah. But it's super important to watch and see what happens with that before markets open on Monday in my opinion. Um
Hmm.
If it gets any worse, it could be really bad during market open, right?
Yeah. Last one. It would be AVAX.
Okay. I like AVAX too down here. I again, I think this is bottomish, just like I did for like the main coins, like AVAX, H bar. Link, XRP, so like they're close. XRP, I think, still got some down to go into accumulation zone, just because it hasn't sold off like the rest of them, right? Um, it's held up relatively well considering where it was, right? Uh, a lot of the assets fell way below. Like look, uh, the October 10th crash, right? I
Mm-hmm.
mean, XRP is still there. It didn't even, you know, right here. But so AVAX, man, whoever listened to me when I was telling everyone to sell it at $34 were thanking me now. I was like, yeah, you guys sell that. I wish I sold everything though.
Yeah.
But I sold
A lot of
AVAX
us
up
have.
here. I got rid of that. It was one of my best trades. AVAX. IMX was my best trade though. I think I nailed the top on that. I sold at 95 or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
But AVAX, same situation, right? I mean, this is looks better than the other ones that we're looking at. Close up over and clear like perfect retests. I mean, snap dab right there, right? So I'd be paying attention to this. Um, grab the 50. It's holding the 50. You definitely just want to watch for some continuation. So hold that basis, form a bull channel. Um, AVAX can run without Bitcoin. I'll tell you that right now. It has, and it will, and it can. Uh, will it now? I don't know. That's it. This is bullish though. Uh, as long as it holds this, and you can see a continuation. Um, I mean, we're due for a decent bounce again here somewhere. Uh,
Yeah.
I if I buy anything, I would definitely be running stop losses on stuff though, and definitely playing the 4 hour red dot. We would see a 4 hour red dot, either sell it or use a stop loss.
Yeah.
Even if you're buying on the daily, use the 4 hour. The 4 hour will 100% get you. If not, then yeah, no, it didn't even get you out here on AVAX. So there you go. There you have it. Run a stop loss and
Yeah.
watch levels like this, like your 200, and watch for candles like this, dojis and stuff, right? Yeah, you got to pay attention to that. Um, and again, pull up a cheat sheet for divergence and convergence. Have it somewhere. Pay attention to it. Learn to use it. Incorporate it with what you're looking at. They play a lot, and it'll help you a lot. I
Yeah.
use it a lot. So thanks, guys. This has been great. I'm exhausted though. I appreciate the time and effort you guys put in. Uh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, so if you guys want to join the Discord, there's a link in the description. I'll send you over to the Discord. You can see here, you can click on any of the links here to subscribe to the channel. You will get a link, and it will take you over to the payment portal. You can even pay in cryptocurrency. We have no takers on that one yet, but nonetheless, you get access to the Albert Einstein bot, so you can do things like look up some of your favorite assets. Like we can type in here asset report, and we can pick our cryptocurrency. We'll look at the 4 hour or the XRP, and it will give us a report of what has come in. Oh, over the past 4 hours, it'll give us the 4-hour, 1 day, and a 5 day here. It also spell out what the channel states are, and this looks like a huge pile of garbage right right now. So, but you can also subscribe to any of your favorite assets, and it will send you a private message going over all that stuff. It's a pretty cool feature in the Discord. So appreciate you, Mager, for helping out in the Discord and everything. I know you're busy with work, and I'm busy as well with that. I mean, I really got it decimated this week. I lost my the bot server, so I had to rebuild the bot server, the website. I had trouble at work. It was just a complete shit show. So we will be
Smooth
back.
sailing from
Yeah.
now on, though, right?
Yeah, that's right. It's going to have no problems whatsoever. So
Man,
we will come.
I should have shorted that.
Oh, which one?
Near. I knew it, too.
Oh,
But you called me, and
oh,
I got stuck
called you.
talking to you. Yeah,
You love talking to me. Let's be honest.
yeah. Yeah, thanks, guys. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, so we'll be back next week, and watch for some shorts this week in the YouTube channel. And with that, it truly was a